If your diet looks like a feast every day, you might be aging faster than you think. Let's explore why. As we grapple with the challenges of aging, one idea has captured the imagination of scientists and health enthusiasts alike: calorie restriction. The concept is simple: eat less, live longer, but the science behind it is anything but simple. Studies show that reducing caloric intake by 10 to 40% can extend lifespan and delay age-related diseases. This has been observed across many species, from yeast to primates, hinting at a fundamental biological principle. One theory, the rate of living hypothesis, suggests that lower caloric intake slows metabolism, reducing cellular damage over time. This activates protective mechanisms, enhancing cellular repair and modulating inflammation. Calorie restriction affects nutrient-sensing pathways like the insulin's IGF-1 signaling pathway, promoting longevity. While most evidence comes from non-human studies, preliminary human trials are promising. Yet, maintaining long-term calorie restriction is challenging. Alternatives like intermittent fasting may offer similar benefits. As research continues, one thing is clear: our dietary choices could unlock the secrets to a longer, healthier life. So eat smart, live long.